Ako, Jordan, wala pa yan. Kung yung palang mga free namin na mga pasabog at pa-confetti dito sa TikTok. Kung yun pala mga free tutorials namin, ang dami yun ang natututunan. What more kapag sumama kayo sa training namin as a VIP? And probably, the reason why you feel like yung explanation ko dun sa video is madaling matutunan is because my teaching style matches your learning style. And this is something that I always want to emphasize kapag may nag-inquire sa amin kung paano mag-join sa mentorship program namin. That is because I want you to first check yung free resources. Doon pa lang kasi guys sa free resources, the more you consume somebody's free resources, the more you know if the person... Syempre kung kailan ako nag-film, so ano naman ako... So going back, yung mga nakikita ninyo na content creators na nag-offer ng trainings and tutorials, as much as possible, consume as many contents muna nila as possible just to see if eto bang person na to, itong person, Bea Boris! Etong tao ba na to, number one, yung teaching style ba niya, nagmamatch sa learning style ko. Number two, does this person have the results that I am looking for? Do you think that this person's strategy is something na gusto mong matutunan? Because true enough, you can learn so many things nang hindi kayo nag-enroll sa mga training. However, may mga tao na kagaya niya na minsan talaga kailangan step by step. Hindi naman yung aakayin mo, hindi naman yung spoon feeding, but you will have to guide them talaga. That is actually why we created the Top VIP All Access Pass, because there are still a lot of people who are decided that they want to start working from home na. This is really something that they want to do na for a long time. Pero hindi sila nagkakaroon ng ganoong push. So, if you guys want to join the Top VIP All Access Pass, punta lang kayo sa profile ko, i-click nyo lang tong link na to. It will open the Gig Hub. So, make sure you click the Gig Hub. And then sa Gig Hub, nandito ng lahat ng kailangan ninyo para makapag-start mag-work from home. May free resources dyan sa baba ha. However, if you want to join the VIP, which is the 1-year All Access Pass, under Live Mentorship, i-click nyo lang yan, i-click nyo yan siya. It will open the form. Basahin nyo munang maigi yung form from top to bottom, left to right para naiintindihan ninyo yung process. On top of that, may follow-up email pa yon as soon as you fill out the form kung ano yung process natin sa training. 1,999 lang are. 1 year, lahat ng classes makaka-attend kayo. Kayong mauumay, girl. Anyway, hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!